Strawberry almond milk smoothie. I already plucked off the top of the strawberries. Do you use that part? Let me know. Leave a comment below. Now I'm just rinsing off the strawberries. Here comes the sugar. Of course, the sugar can be replaced with honey, but at this time of the day, I don't know where my family put the honey. Here are the strawberries. I added the almond milk until I saw strawberries floating. I put my blender on the milkshake setting and I let it blend for about 20 seconds. Please subscribe to Keiota Studio on YouTube if you haven't already. Sometimes I drink this right away, or if I'm not absolutely thirsty, I go ahead and I let it chill in my refrigerator and drink it after it has cooled a bit. Thank you for watching this video. Please watch my next video.